Hey, what's up, guys? How is it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, kindly smash on subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video, you guys will be notified. So in this video, we're going to be looking at instant loan apps without income proof or without salary account. And of course, you can use this loan platform to request for any kind of loan and without asking you to drop or submit any income proof, like how much you are earning on a monthly or on a weekly basis. So all these apps or platforms are not going to ask you for any of that. They are going to give you a loan based on the available loan they have on their platform, and then you'll be able to pay back as at when you choose to pay back the loan which you borrow from the platform. So the number one platform we are going to be looking at is Money, which also serve different countries, including Nigeria as well, if you literally want to borrow money online without depending on your income proof. And with Money, you can get up to 6 million naira of loan with this platform. And of course, they will ask you for some details about you, probably your BVN, before they can actually grant your loan offer on the platform. And they also offer a savings as well, which you can also save money with them, and you can grow your money aside till the time you actually need money. So you can also see that borrow, save, spend, and invest in one place. So you can do all this on the Money platform, and they are very reliable and effective. And a lot of people have already downloaded their app from Google Play Store and use it to borrow money, and people usually also used their money or the loan to buy a car or pay school fees as well. And you can also borrow money from them to start your dream business. So, and you will be able to choose that the time you would like to pay back the loan which you borrow from them. And from their website, you can also calculate how much you'll be getting if you try to borrow a loan from them. So you can choose to be unemployed or self-employed. So then what's your revenue monthly, so you can put all the revenue which you think that you are earning on a monthly basis. And of course, this doesn't determine how much they are going to borrow you on the platform, trust me. So just get started or download their app from Google Play Store, and you can request for a loan anytime, anywhere you are in the whole world. So get started with them, and I'm very sure you'll be able to use the Money to borrow money without any income proof. So another platform you can also use to borrow money without income proof is EP. EP also offer instant personal loan to every individual who actually need a loan to start a business or to solve out some specific bills. And these platforms serve different kind of countries, including India, Pakistan, or within the that country like that. So those are the countries that they actually serve. They literally don't have website here, unlike Money, but of course you can also get their app from Google Play Store. So you also see which country they serve and read through the interest rate, so you'll be able to know how much you'll be paying back of any kind of amount you borrow from the platform. So it's quite easy to understand how EP instant loan works. Then you'll be able to choose if you would like to proceed with them or not. So go through their app on Google Play Store, then download it, and make sure you read on the terms and conditions before you proceed on to collect or request for any loan or this platform. So they already have over 10,000 people who have downloaded the app. So this also give you more idea on how the app actually works, and then you'll be able to proceed on with them. So another one is Borrow Money Instantly and Easy. This is another loan app which you can also use to borrow a loan online, but of course it's not available in Nigerian. It's for Indian and Pakistan people if they literally want to borrow money without any stress, and it doesn't have to have income proof before they can actually grant you a loan from this platform. So you can check them out today and then request for any kind of amount of loan you want to borrow from them. So another one is Bright. With Bright, you can build and borrow money from the platform, and you can also see that this app already have over 1 million downloads, which means people are using this app to build their credit score and also request for a loan from the platform, which also a great way to borrow money online. And this app was just updated. You can see December 16th. That was yesterday from when I'm actually recording this video. So with Build, you can make a lot of money using or borrowing money from them and building your credit score so that you'll be able to borrow large amount of money. So this app serve different countries, including United States and some other countries like that. So they also give out a loan in dollars, and then you'll be able to also pay back as at when you choose to pay back the loan which you borrow from the platform. You can check them out on Google Play Store today and start borrowing the loan from the platform. So another one is instant cash loan till salary. So if you're a salary earner and you literally need money to sort out some bills, so I will advise you to just go with these loan apps. Then you will definitely pay back any amount of loan you borrow once you get paid at your workplace. So it's quite easy to get a loan from this app as long as you are a salary earner and you're sure that you're going to pay back the amount you borrow from the platform. So it's quite easy, and they already understand, and mostly they serve people who are salary earners. So in case you're a salary earner, you're looking out for a way to get a loan, so definitely this app should be the best for you to go with. And then you can request for any kind of amount you literally want to get from this app, and they will also ask you if you think that you'll be able to pay that kind of amount you want to borrow with your salary. So if yes, then they'll proceed on to ask you and for other details, and then they will disburse the loan direct to your bank account. So these are the loan apps I would like to share with you, which doesn't have you to drop or look into your income resource before they can grant you a loan online. So you can check them out today and let me know through the comment section below. Thank you.